today's video, we're going to talk about your car sales career. And this is a conversation that I had with a salesperson this past week. We were discussing his last few months in the car business. And in particular, the first thing that I had asked was how many cars he sold over the last 3 months. Hey guys, it's Anthony. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about your car sales career. And this is a conversation that I had with a salesperson this past week. We were discussing his last few months in the car business. And in particular, the first thing that I had asked was how many cars he sold over the last 3 months. And then I had asked him, okay, of those people, how many of them have you called to ask for referrals? How many of them have you called to see if they could send you somebody in their family or friend group, send them to you to buy a car from you? And his answer was, some of them, most of them, okay. Of the people you've dealt with over the last 90 days, I had asked him, that you didn't sell a car to, your unsold customers, how many of those have you called to reach out to try to get them back into the deal? Some of them, okay. Have you posted on social media every day to market yourself, to market your dealership, to market your brand? Most days, okay. Have you made your required number of phone calls every single day? Did you make 100 calls? Have you set 2 confirmed appointments every day? I try to. There were the answers, and they were honest answers. That's what I respect most. They were honest. They weren't bullshit. They were honest. And the reason being is that one of my favorite quotes, and I kind of live by this, and if you train under me or if you watch my videos, you've heard me say this a billion times, that people don't perform up to their potential. They perform down to their systems. I believe that in my core. And what happens is if we leave it up to our potential, if we leave it up to our motivation, and we don't have a system, we're only going to do what we feel like doing. We're only going to call as many people as we feel like calling. We're only going to follow up with as many people as we feel like following up with until we're ready to do something else. And nowadays, our attention spans being as short as they are, with that variable reward system being triggered, boom, 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 constantly via social media and TikTok and everything that's flying at us, we're going to quickly not feel like doing whatever the task at hand is unless we have a system in place, unless we make laws for ourselves that I have to do X, Y, and Z, and I'm not going to stop until I do it, right? And some of the analogies that I've used in my sales meetings this week. Let's say you go to the gym and you have no game plan. You don't know what body part you're going to work out. You don't know how many exercises you're going to do. You don't know how many sets or how many reps. You know none of it. How long do you work out for? I don't know. You don't know either. Who knows? As long as you feel like it, right? I mean, there's no workout plan. You're going to work out until you feel like stopping, right? People don't perform up to their potential. They perform down to their systems. Do not bet on your motivation. You're not going to be motivated all day long. You're not going to be motivated most days. And it's not going to be a consistent level of motivation. That's why you have to lean on your discipline, the laws you put in place, the rules and parameters for your day, and your consistency to do that every single day. You mark down, you write down, you put a game plan together of everything you have to do every single day, and then you do it. No ifs, ands, or buts. When I go into the dealership, I have a legal pad, I have a notepad like this. Literally, I'm marking down the videos that I'm recording right now. And I cross them off. I mark down everything that I'm going to do every single day. And I add to that notepad all day, every day. And I cross everything off 100% of the time. 100% of the time. I don't leave until it's done. Plus, done and then some, right? People don't perform up to their potential. They perform down to their systems. You have to have a game plan. Don't just do what you feel like doing. Do what you're required or need to do. And you only know what's required or needed to do if you actually write it down. It becomes a concrete plan. Hey, my friend, thank you for watching. And if you want to see videos just like this one, please like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate the love and support. And don't forget, leave some comments down below. I'm looking forward to all of your interaction and feedback. And I can't wait to bring you more videos just like this one. Thanks again. I'll talk to you soon.